Hi, I'm Lorne Therrien. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the knife defenses that we practice in full circle Arnis and full circle fighting system. Let's break it down. Okay, first I will start with what I believe you shouldn't do when someone's coming at you with the very common straight in angle 5 or even more diagonally up into the body. They may also grab, switch feet, and stab this way. So whichever way that this stab or this thrust is coming, what I believe based on experience you shouldn't do, one, never cross block, because they can pull back and cut your wrists. That's the first thing. Number two, never do a block like this, which is the U block, because they'll pull out and then stab high. So we call this leaving the door open when you block like this, or if you block like this. Because no one's going to just stab, freeze there, and not pull out the arm when you block. They're going to pull out and try to, their goal is to stab you, just like your goal is to survive. All right, so what we're going to do is a positive negative grab. So as he, even if he grabs me here, if he grabs me on the shoulder, he goes to stab, I want that positive negative, which means if he can't pull down, he can't pull up, and he can't push in. All right, for that moment in time, now I have to use what I have available, which is right now on the high line is the head. I'll headbutt again. I'll take that knee and I'll drive it into that groin. Holding onto the arm, I can bring it up and I can bring it right back into my opponent, grab onto his shoulder and sweep if necessary. Let's look at that again from another angle. So, do not do this. Yep, do not do this. That's leaving the door open. Just so you can see it, if he is doing a cross block, he is cutting this way. Also, what could happen, an experienced knife fighter, when you go to cross block, he's going to trap the arms and he's going to bury it into your body. That's reality in an experienced knife fighter. So don't do this. And the same thing if he does the U block. Okay? If he does the U block here, thumb over thumb, even if he grabs and holds with all his might, that's it. Boom, boom. Okay? So don't do that block either. Positive, negative. Grab. Okay, now he may get the first stab in. He may stab it into your body and then you have to grab. But at least you're cutting down the multiple stabs. Holding on with that positive negative grip. I headbutt, I knee. I step in. I can wrench that arm right here and snap it. I can continue, bring it behind the back, grab, and then stomp the back of his knee as another option. One more with the suicidal type technique. He grabs the shoulder. I grab. I hold on tight with all my might. I headbutt. I drive that knee into the groin multiple times if necessary. I step in and I step back. And then I run. So, that is one of the knife defenses that we practice in full circle Arnis and full circle fighting system. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.